Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So there's a couple of ways you can do it, and I'm going to show both of them. So number one, let's start off by actually finding the content that we wish to capture, which I'm going to use let's use whatever that is. No, I can't. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna do the screenshot of apps here. So once you have it open and visible, what you want to do is hold or press power key and volume down, both keys at the same time, like so. You get this flash. Then it asks you to allow for the device to actually save. So yeah, let's agree to that. And now it's saved to the gallery. So that's one way of doing it. And the other way of doing it would be to basically slide your palm across the display. Now I'm gonna kind of tilt it backwards so I can actually slide my hand comfortably. And as you can see, it also does the same thing. So that is how you would do it. And I believe this will also work on the front display, but let's check it out just to be certain. So we have our display right here. Again, I'm gonna press volume down and power key. There's a screenshot. Let's try it with palm. And also takes the screenshot as well. So you can see it works both on the small screen and the big one. So from here, once you have captured the screenshot, you can now find it in your photo gallery. So let's find that and open it up. Which looks like it's right here. Let's just allow whatever. And there we go. So this is the small front display. Again, front display. This is the big one. And again, two screenshots of it. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.